Itura-ini ria Thome tu mucii kwa Lois Jororo. Kihingo kia mucii kirukitio uthukangia wa indo ukioneka kuma kona imwe ya mugunda kuria we na family yake makoretwo magiikara kwa ihinda iraya. Kuringana na Lois, nyina wa ciana inya, makoretwo magiikara guku kuma mwaka wa 1996 ende mwaka-ini wa 2001 umwe wa andu marigainie mugunda akimehoya kugura gicunji kia mugunda wake, na thutha wa kuiguithaniria Lois na muthuriwe makioya ngombo na makigura mugunda uria riu utumurite ngucanio.
We have all the documents. 2004 we took a loan through KCB. We charged the title 700,000 and we got the money. Na tukaripa loan tukamaliza, wakaturudishia title.
Thutha wa miaka 24 magiikara mugunda-ini uyu, riu family ino ndikoretwo ikiona toro, makiuga makoretwo magitumirwo batuni ya nyanake kumagagia na guthukangia indo ciao.
Walianza kuja this year, actually December last year. Wanasema mali ni yao kila kitu. Tukawaelezea hamna neno, kama kitu ni yenyu tupatane kotini. We reported the matter at Kasarani, tumereport Kiamburu, tukwa DCIA, na everything is in order.
So we are just wondering, 25 years, where have they been? Where are the documentation? Hataki kutuonesha any documentation. And then they just want to come and forcefully acquire the land.
Ona thutha wa gucaria uteithio ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Kasarani, family no itariria ati gutiri kihonia o giothe kionekete na kwihiriria makiria, magitariria ati maabithaa a borithi nio makoretwo makirugamirira uthukangia wa indo ciao.
Tulitukana huko tukaitwa wezi, sisi ndio tumeiba shamba, hatuna makaratasi. Wakasema bona tueti title Kasarani. Mimi nikamwambia tutapeleka title Kasarani.
Muthenya wa ira batoni no irokire ithaite kuria mararukirie kihingo kia mugunda uyu makuite ikingi na mafati. Thorofea wao nake agithima na kuheana mwerekera kuria gukuirigwo.
They have come back again with guns accompanied by a police officer from Kasarani. Wamekuja wanasema wanakuja kupima shamba na surveyor. Tukaambia no, do you have any court order? Invade property ya mtu ukuje na surveyor na maguns. Wamekuja na mabati, wamekuja na vikingi ya kufence, na walikuwa na mapanga na kila kitu.
Family no ni hoete ugitiri makenda thirikari kuingirira ngucanio ino kuona riu maraikara o mehugite hindi ciothe thutha wa kurutirwo mikana.
Because there is no, we are not safe. My parents are not safe. We don't know who came here. We don't know who came. I don't know whether they are going to come at night. If a police officer who is supposed to protect us is the one who is coming with guns.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.